Have you ever wanted some super easy food hacks that anyone in the family can do? Well, don't worry, because us here at Ready Set Viral are going to show you any food hacks that you can do with your family. Let's get into it. Number 1, pancake roses. For this one, you're going to need to get a pizza cutter and cut from one edge of the pancake and slowly move towards the middle like so. Once you're done, roll from the end of the pancake all along the lines that you cut and you will have a pancake rose. It is super cute and you can make multiple of them with fruit all around, and it is so pretty. Number 2, Coca-Cola ice cubes. Sometimes regular ice cubes get boring. And are you one of those people that actually eats ice cubes on their own? Well, if you use any pop that you like, such as Coca-Cola, you can pour them inside of your ice cube tray, and once they're frozen, put some toothpicks inside and you can have some delicious Coca-Cola ice cubes. Number 3, crepes. Crepes are sometimes a little bit hard to make. Get the pancake mix into a bowl and get a large pan. Instead of doing it on the regular side, heat it up from the top and actually use the bottom to dip inside the bowl. You'll be able to scrape the crepe off once you're done. Number 4, unlimited chocolate. If you've finished your chocolate in your entire box, all you have to do is use the place where they were sitting and pour Nutella into each space. Then refrigerate for 30 minutes, and once you're done, you will have a brand new set of chocolate. Number 5, dumplings. This is an amazing food hack. First, you'll need some pancake mix and a frying pan. Place it in a circle with a spoon and spread it out just a little bit. While it's cooking, place some minced meat on top of it and then close it with a fork. Then it will look exactly like a dumpling and it's super amazing and easy. Number 6, Oreo ice cream. For this one, you'll need a package of Oreos that has singular packaged packs of Oreos inside. First, smash all of the Oreos, and once you're done, open them up and pour full fat milk into the packages. Put some sticks inside of them so that when they're done freezing, you'll have an easy way to eat them. Freeze them, and once they're done, you'll have some amazing Oreo ice cream pops. Number 7, dessert sushi. Get a pita and some Nutella and a banana. Put some Nutella onto the pita in the sushi maker and add the banana as well. Then fold one side over, place some Nutella as well, and place the other side over that so that it sticks together. After you're done and use the sushi contraption, you'll be able to have some amazing dessert sushi. Number 8, cutting out watermelon. If you have problems successfully getting your watermelon out, all you have to do is get an ice cream scooper and actually scoop it out just like you're getting some ice cream for yourself. Place all of the scoops into a bowl and you'll be able to get every last bit of watermelon out without wasting any of it. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a single video from us in the future. And also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day.